Many of us want to learn AI in ServiceNow, but do not know where to start. I am creating this series to simplify this task, so we together can understand what ServiceNow AI is and how to leverage it for better understanding. So, ServiceNow AI is divided into three types. First, we have Now Assist, then we have Predictive Intelligence, then we have Agentic AI. So, first, let's start with Now Assist. So, what Now Assist is? So, Now Assist is used for case summarization, co- content generation, AI search, code and flow generation, and conversational exchanges. For example, if you see here, you can see this summarize button. So when we click on this summarize button, it creates a summary of the incident. So this summary can help the user to see what the incident is about. Similarly, we can also go on the chat button. So if you see this chat icon here, it when user clicks on this button, it opens the Now Assist panel on the right side. So here we can ask the Now Assist what we want. Like suppose here they have asked generate deeper analysis. So this is what Now Assist helps us for. For example, it can help summarize the incidents, cases, chat. Then for content generation, it can help generate knowledge articles, email responses, resolution notes. Then we have predictive intelligence. Predictive intelligence is used for classification, summary, clustering, and regression. For example, if you see this case here, so here we have this when a user creates an incident, so we can, with the help of predictive intelligence, we can automatically set the assignment group, the category field. So it uses the past data, and based on that data, it can define the, it can predict the assignment group or the category. So if you see here, it is used for classification. It automates the categorization and routing. For example, network ticket should be assigned to IT infrastructure team. Similarity. It identifies similar past records. So showing past example, showing past incidents solved by a specific path. It helps in clustering. It groups similar records. Example, identifying 50 tickets for major outage. It helps in regression. It predicts the numeric values, outcomes. Example, estimating time to resolution for an HR case. Then finally we have this agentic AI. This is the latest capability. As the name suggests, it acts as a colleague with a goal. So it doesn't just summarize or provide the data, but it actually takes the action. So if you see its key abilities, so it is goal oriented reason. So given a goal, AI plans execution. So for example, offered an employee, so it can revoke the access, notify the facilities, or provide the final paycheck. It can do multi-step execution. It has tools to interact with the systems. Example, look up a record in a workday, post a message in Slack, reset password in Azure, update ticket in ServiceNow. Memory. It can also do self-correction as per the memory. Like it can access roadblocks. It can find alternatives. For example, if the manager out of office, it can delegate the approver. So this is what AI in ServiceNow is. We'll dive deeper in our next videos. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe as it motivates me to create more such videos.